Welcome back. I am in midst conversation with them again. And I wanna confront this kidnapper. So I already confirmed with him that this bullet that I found on the ground today was the exact bullet that he said it wasn't him. Somebody shot my husband in the leg with. You fuckers! And I saw the bloodstained sheets. And is that my husband's blood? He said, yes, it is, cunt. Oh, well, holy moly. So what we're going to do now is find who did this and do the same to them. Understood? Because I've got the bullet